Hello everyone! Welcome to this video on utilizing the crosstab in Bold BI. Crosstabs are a powerful feature in Bold BI that helps you summarize, analyze, and compare data in a structured tabular format. Built on pivot grid functionality, crosstabs make it easy to identify trends, patterns, and relationships across multiple dimensions of data. Whether you're analyzing sales performance, operational metrics, or employee commute data, crosstabs provide an interactive and flexible way to gain meaningful insights. Now, let's look at the features of crosstabs. Crosstabs allow you to aggregate data across multiple dimensions, giving you a concise view of important metrics such as counts, sums, averages, minimums, and maximums. Users can interact with the data in real time by filtering records, sorting values, expanding and collapsing hierarchies, and drilling down into detailed data points. This makes it easy to move from high-level summaries to deeper analysis. Crosstabs provide a flexible layout where you can arrange fields as rows, columns, or values based on your reporting requirements. This allows you to create views that best suit your analysis goals. Let's consider a dataset containing mode of transport, site, and distance to work. The objective is to analyze commuting patterns across different locations and transportation methods. Using a crosstab, we can quickly determine average commuting distance by transportation mode, transportation preferences by location, and distribution of commuters across sites. Let's see some cases where this can be achieved. In the Bold BI dashboard server, select the Data Sources icon. Then New Data Source, and create data source. On the selection page, search for and select Excel. Once selected, enter a name for the data source, and add a description if you'd like. You can configure additional settings such as the extract engine or file path based on your requirements. Simply browse File and upload your Excel file, and connect. After uploading, a preview window will appear for you to validate your data. Once you've confirmed it, you'll be directed to the Data Source Designer where you can drag and drop tables to structure your data set. Preview and save your configuration. With the data source ready, click the three-dot More Options menu and select Create Dashboard. On the Dashboard Designer page, locate the pivot grid. Drag and drop it into the design canvas. Resize it. Let's look at two examples that use crosstabs. To compare commuting distances for each mode of transport, click the Properties icon and select Assign Data, Assign Site, and Distance to Work to the Value section. Configure the Distance to Work field using an aggregation average to determine the typical commuting distance for each transportation mode. Assign Mode of Transport to the Row section. Go to the Properties tab and update the name to Average Distance to Work by Mode of Transport. Then scroll down to Basic Settings and allow text wrap, column resize, and fit to content. Let's preview the example. The crosstab displays summarized distance metrics for each transport method, helping you identify which modes are generally used for longer or shorter commutes. Let's look at the next example. To understand how transportation methods are distributed across locations, select Properties, Assign Data, Assign Site to the Value and Row sections, Assign Mode of Transport to the Column section. Go to the Properties tab and update the name to Transportation Mode Distribution by Site. Then scroll down to Basic Settings and allow text wrap, column resize, and fit to content. Let's preview The crosstab displays the count of records for each transportation mode at every site, making it easy to compare transportation preferences between locations. Here you can quickly identify which site has the highest number of car commuters and whether walking is more common in a specific location. The crosstab feature in Bold BI is an essential analytical tool that enables you to organize, summarize, and explore data efficiently. Let's look at why we use crosstabs. Crosstabs help transform raw data into meaningful summaries by enabling users to compare categories side by side, identify trends and patterns, analyze data across multiple dimensions, drill into details when needed, create highly customizable reports. By leveraging crosstabs, users can create dynamic reports that reveal actionable insights, helping them make informed business decisions with confidence. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, schedule a call by clicking Request Demo. If you find this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.